Hello, I'm Alan Barrows. I'm a senior. This is our project, Rapid Care. So, on my part of the presentation, I was presenting the diagrams. The first one that we have is the activity diagram. So in our swim lanes, we have customer, pharmacy, the delivery guy. So pretty much when it starts, you start out with the customer visiting the doctor. They send into the pharmacy the medication that they need. Then after that, they process the medication within the pharmacy. It goes to the customer to get verified. After that, then it gets submitted. The customer submits their payment to the pharmacy, and the pharmacy verifies the payment. If it passes through, then we're good. And then it goes down into the checking of the inventory for the medication. After that, they put it together. They give it to the delivery guy. Then the delivery guy sends it to the customer, and then its medication is delivered. After that, I have the network diagram. This I had to. So since we don't have a mainframe of different things for the network, I had to use virtual servers and clouds to be able to bring in all of the users' data and everything. So that's why I have the virtual servers to the right. It has the firewall to protect. Connected to the internet, I use the Ring network to just display multiple to access multiple users, and then through the servers for Rapid Care and the router. Then we have the system sequence diagram. We're going to have the customer, the website, and then the database. So pretty much the customer creates an account, an email, password. It then gets sent over to the database that stores that information. The database then requires verification through the website. It gets passed through. Then the customer is required to put in the information for the doctor, the pharmacy that it wants, and then the phone number under the customer and the doctor. Then it gets submitted. Then the medication from the website to the database is that they have to locate the inventory for that medication. It then gets sent over back to the website for the medication to be prepared, and then sent out for delivery. This is the website prototype that we created, and so pretty much the first one is just your basic login page with your create an account options, or to log in if you already have an account with us. We have also on the bottom, we have pharmacies nearby, contact your doctor, and track medication for those options. The next over to the right is the part where the privacy, and you have your information, you have your doctor, the pharmacy that you chose, all in that section. Right under it, you have the doctor, where it says contact a doctor. You're going to have all the options for that of, the phone number, zip code of the area, and then to the right of it's going to be a lot of the doctors that are nearby that you can contact. And to the left of it, you have the zip code and locations for all the pharmacies. If you need to change pharmacies or you need to find a pharmacy, those are the options. And then under it, we have a tracking the medication webpage. You put in your phone number, and it gives you, an estimated time of the arrival of your medication. And to the right of it, it's a map for the GPS map tracking. That is my part of the presentation. Thank you.